Hi, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. I wanted to give you a quick look at the analytics that are showing up on today's analytics page. Special days here for June 18th is showing the day before the FOMC announcement day. And when you go to the table statistics on the right, you can see the up gaps have some pretty nice numbers to them. We've got 65 samples here. 60% of those have 1 with a 2.27 profit factor when going long on an up gap with an end of day stop and an end of day target. I want to dig into this a little bit deeper because this looks pretty interesting to me. So I'm going to select that and go to up gap results, and I'm not going to add anything else. We've got all these other options of what's in play for today. But I'm just going to start with the day before FOMC announcement. Click View Results for up gaps, and it gives us the results here very quickly. We've got 65 samples here. Same stats that we saw for up gaps, all showing up right here in our quick view table. For going long off the open, no stop, no target. The equity curve fairly smooth to the upside. A little bit of volatility here on the far right-hand edge of the chart, which suggests it's been a little bit weak here this past several samples. If we scroll down, we can see just where that's falling at. So the past year, so only a 33% win rate, and it looks like we've had a large losing trade when using no stop, no target within the past year, and that's showing up with this drawdown here. But overall, the bias pretty steady to the upside when using no stop, no target on the day before the FOMC announcement day. I want to dig into this a little bit more, so I'm going to go back to this analytics page, and I'm going to select day before FOMC announcement again. But I want to put a little bit more context to it. So I don't think I want anything from the calendar, but let's add some price patterns. Or let's see what we've got. We've got NR7, so we got some range compression that happened yesterday. So I can add that, or let me go to the indicators, maybe add a range compression indicator. Let's see, ATRs, that's what I want to use. I'm going to use a 1-day ATR decrease. So yesterday's 1-day true range is less than the day before. I'm going to click select there, and now I've got two things in my test. I've got only the day before FOMC announcement and only when the 1-day ATR has decreased. I'm going to run this study again and just look at the up gap since that's what we have this morning. And looks pretty good. Trade count now 34. We were roughly 60, I believe, without the ATR being added to this study. Win rate does go up a little bit. I think it was 60%. Now we're 70.5. Looking pretty good though. Bias definitely holding up and improving a little bit with the range compression idea added to it. So this is in play for today. This is no stop, no target. I've just got end of day stop, end of day target selected here. I can easily hop over to the exit and throw a different stop on it. I like the idea of the end of day targets, but I'm going to add a 50% of the 5-day ATR stop just to make sure that it's still going to hold up. And rerun it. That ran quickly, and there it is, looking almost identical. So using 50% of the 5-day ATR as a stop definitely holds up. Win rate drops from 70 to about 68. But overall bias looking really good. We can go down and check out the monthly table below to see if there's anything that stands out. Fairly consistent profits year over year. But overall, this looks interesting. I wanted to share it. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and check back for more of these in the future.